Oops. More chocolate. More chocolate. More chocolate.
But you already had two.
I only had one. Now.
More chocolate now.
Yeah.
Who brought you those chocolates?
Easter bunny.
Can you say that, Bubby?
Bunny.
A bunny?
Yeah, it's chocolate. No, a rabbit. A rabbit's called a little bit. Let's go, chocolate. Chocolate. Him. I'll open it. Okay, give it to me. I'll open it. Open them. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
That's nice manners, Bubby.
Thank you. Thank you.
And it's not even 7 a.m. Chocolate for breakfast.
And that's all we'll eat. Right, Miles? Right, that's all we'll eat.